อันนี้รถนั่งประมาณเมาส์อ่อนอ๋อพายมาเมาส์อ่ะoh they burn it around 1 hour and then they clean it up after they clean it up already and then they hit it again it's a real one and the grill it or burn it out นี่ประหารเมาเนี่ยบองบานบ้าน1 hour now it's already 1 hour yeah now they take it into keep here very nice along the road to Phnom Penh City แกหาภูมิไหมโอนนนนี่บ้านภูมิจ่าภูมิจ่าจ่าภูมิจ่าvery nice wow very nice yeah they clean it up อันนี้ลวตาเยิงนนตามเพลานี่เราก็ไปจูนตัวกับลายเซนพ้องบองบ้านor they sell only here so they don't send or transfer to the other place only they sell it along the roadside we call Krolanh look are they on kind oh a lot of people they stop and buy it on the way yeah I asked them how can they sell all they say that they sell all here yeah, for 1 day so the next morning they make it again ขอบคุณนะบอง thank you it's a one more place they just move it out nice sticky right in bamboo cái hấp phum ấy ôn nó từ này hả phum xa phum ấy ôn phum xa sốc sốc sốt đi cung khát sim riệp nè how to eat and they break it yes he break for me yeah we will try one how it nice one, very delicious. Okay, enjoy with me.